How to generate 10-second AI video using Sora AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Sora.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in using your login credentials. Now, in order to create a 10-second AI video using Sora AI, tap on the image icon on the bottom of your screen below the Describe Your Video text box. Further, select the video option. Next, choose the aspect ratio. You can choose from the provided options, that is 16:1 or 1:1 or 9:16 for the best options. Next, choose the resolution. Select 1080 pixels for high definition output. You will now be required to choose the length of the video. So go ahead and choose the 10 seconds option, and lastly, you can choose the variations. Decide how many versions you would like Sora to generate. You can choose up to 4. Now go ahead and describe the prompt for the type of video you want. For instance, I will type in a serene mountain landscape at dawn, mist rolling over the peaks, with a lone hiker silhouetted against the rising sun. Finally, tap on the send button, and with this, the video processing will start. You can check your video status by tapping on the activity option on top of your screen. Wait for the video to process, as the video processing time may vary depending on the resolution you have chosen and the time or the length of the video you have chosen. Once the video is complete, open the video, and with this, your video will be generated. Now go ahead and make any necessary changes, as editing the prompt or recutting it or remixing the video or blending or looping the video. So this is how you can generate 10-second AI video using Sora AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.